Hi friends, let's see the poem The Freaks by Kamala Das. The poem The Freaks appears in Kamala Das anthology Summer in Calcutta in 1965. This is a 20-line poem. The meaning of freak is an abnormally developed individual. Here the poetess has given the word as freaks because she portrays both she and her beloved behaves abnormally. This poem is an autobiographical poem of Kamala Das. This poem expresses the lovelessness in the poetess' married life. Now let's see the poem. He talks, turning a sun-stained cheek to me, his mouth a dark cavern where stalactites of uneven teeth gleam. While he talks to me, he represents the beloved of the poetess. While he talks to me, his cheek turns to be sun-stained. Means his cheeks expresses the heat generated by complete lust and sexuality, and his cheeks are brown in color. His mouth a dark cavern where stalactites of uneven teeth gleam. His mouth appears as a dark cavern. Cavern means a cave where stalactites are found on the roof of the cave, hanging like icicle formed of calcium salts deposited by dipping water. His teeth are uneven as stalactites in the cave. The poem, his right hand on my knee, while our minds are will to race towards love, but they only wander, tripping early over puddles of desire. His right hand on my knee. The lover's right hand touched the beloved's knees. Beloved is the poetess. While our minds are will to race towards love, while their minds need to move towards emotional love, but they only wander, tripping idly over puddles of desire. They do not share the union of minds and hearts. Instead, they both are wandering in satisfying their lust, that is, the physical desire. Now the poem. Can this man with nimble finger tips unleash nothing more alive than the skin's lazy hungers? The poetess says the man, that is, her beloved, can satisfy only his physical hungers, the skin's hungers, by his fingers and nothing other. She strives to form an emotional bond and security in love, but all her efforts has become failure. The poem, who can help us who have lived so long and have failed in love? The poetess, after living for long years together, asks who can help them to form the love between them, as their love is a failure. The poem, the heart an empty cistern, waiting through long hours, fills itself with coiling snakes of silence. I am a freak, it's only to save my face. I flaunt at times a grand flamboyant lust. The heart is an empty cistern. It is like a large tongue. The heart is like a large tongue, waiting for long hours. Long hours resembles so many years. The heart is waiting to get love from her beloved. But it is still empty. The heart is still empty. Fills itself with coiling snakes of silence. It is filled with only long hours of silence. Silence is horrible and deadly like the snake for a woman. So it is here the poetess has said us, with coiling snakes of silence, the heart is filled. Then, I am a freak, it's only to save my face. I flaunt at times a grand flamboyant lust. The poetess says she is also a freak. She is also abnormal. It's only to save my face. It's only to save or hide her inner feelings. She pretends to flaunt. Flaunt means to show off or display herself at times as a grand flamboyant lust, as she also needs sexual gratification.